Fellow traders, hello again. This is Trader K from Trading Stocks for Beginners, an educational YouTube channel. The content of this video is going to be rich, fun, and very educational. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna go over each point of these basics of trend lines, trading strategies using trend lines, and how to trade Apple using trend line strategy. I'm gonna show you live example how to draw trend lines, how to trade them professionally and efficiently. So stay tuned. We're gonna have fun and learn something good. But before I start, please do not forget the legal disclaimer here. I'm not a financial advisor, and also please support my channel. I'm just starting it out. I'm providing beautiful content and rich educational content for you guys. So share, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. We're gonna have fun and gonna make money together. All right, so let's get started with the first part of this video, the basics of trend lines. Okay, this is gonna be a text slide or text part of the video, the basic of trend lines. What are trend lines? Trend lines are drawn in stock charts to connect two or more price points, creating a straight line that indicates the direction and strength of the trend. The angle and slope of the trend line can offer significant clues about the stock's momentum and potential future price movements. So bear with me here, two or more price points. I'm gonna show you a live example here to help you memorize or remember this part. So here it says two or more price points. There we go. Here's 1 point and here's second point. I will draw a line from the lowest point that the stock reach from this part to this part. So that's the trend line in live example, how to draw trend lines. And actually, as you can see here, I just draw a trend line. You're probably not gonna draw it as good as I do, but you will learn and you will practice. Within time, you will get good at this kind of technical analysis. So let's keep going. Trading strategies using trend line. This is the second part of this video. Trading strategies using trend lines, recognizing support and resistance levels. Trend lines can help traders identify key support and resistance levels within a stock's price movement. A support level is the price level at which the stock tends to stop falling and may start to rise. I'm going to stop here and go back to the chart and show you what is that in live example. So here is a support at 160. The stock stopped falling and pulled up. That is called a support level. When the stock hits a level and stop going up and goes down, that's a resistance. That is a resistance. While a resistance level is the price at which a stock tends to stop rising and may start to decline. So it's not necessarily going to decline, but it may start to decline. By drawing trend lines that connects the lows and highs of a stock price movement, traders can pinpoint these crucial levels and make informed trading decisions based on them. I'm going to show you how can we do that in the following section of this video. So, writing the trend. Trend lines can also assist traders in writing the trend by identifying the primary direction in which a stock is moving by drawing trend lines that connect the higher lows in an uptrend or the lower highs in a downtrend. Traders can give insights into the momentum of the stock and make trades that align with the prevailing trend. So this is a low, and this is another low, but a higher low. This low is higher than the previous low, and that's indicate a bullish trend or long trend, and it indicates two possible points to draw a trend line based on these 2 points. So as you can see here, I draw a trend line from this point to this point. That is a trend line. All right, let's get started into the fun part here, how to trade Apple using trend line strategies. All right, I did like some of the this section. I defined a support here and another support and a higher low and a point that which the stock stopped falling. As you can see here, it pulled up. Imagine that these days did not exist yet, and we cannot see what happened after that. I'm gonna scroll the chart to the right to hide these levels. So this is how it looks before the future comes, before the following days, so that we don't have the hindsight as we are doing right now. So we just define two bottoms here and draw a trend line. We don't know what happened later. I'm gonna stretch or extend this trend line to look to the right side, and I'm gonna move the chart slowly to see what happened. Just pretend that we didn't saw the chart and we didn't know what happened back there here in 2023 April. So we draw a trend line from these two bottoms, and we're gonna see what will happen. Check this out. It pulled back from the 170, and here we go. Check this out. I'm gonna extend the trend line a bit. As you can see here, where did it stop? Exactly, it sat on the trend line, which is a support, which we can buy when the stock touches the trend line that we draw. If I go along here, I'm gonna enjoy the whole big move that took place on the second day. Although it dropped, but it held the trend line. It just sat right on the trend line. Check this out. How much profit did we make? 6% profit in 2 days, just using trend lines and going long on the trend line touch. So how can we trade these? When the stock touches the trend line, we go long if it's a bullish trend. I'm gonna show you another example. Okay, here is a support here. Here is a support here. I'm gonna draw a trend line between those two lows, and it's a bit steep and bit steep more than the previous one. As you can see here, this is normal trend line, and this is a bit steep trend line. We can trade both. This is a bit dangerous, and you need to be professional to trade these because the stock gonna be more volatile and more sharp mover when the trend line is steeper. But you can practice them with a small amount of money, and it's gonna be fun. As you can see here, we extend stretch the trend line a bit. As you can see here, check this out. Once it hit the trend line, what happened? It bounced up right away. And guess what? How much it bounced? Bounced or pulled up. Check this out. 6% in 9 days. This is the professional way of trading, and this is timeless trading strategy. If you learn how to draw trend lines and you stick to this strategy for as long as you can, you're gonna be master. You're gonna make a hell of a lot of money. just using trend lines. So as I showed you guys, this is stocks, and we can trade them. We can make money safely without risking so much and without trading these volatile other stocks like penny stock, or we can trade them, but with a little bit of money. Make the bigger part of your portfolio trading the good stocks like Apple, and using professional ways like trend lines. Please do not forget to support my channel, subscribe, like, share. We're gonna have fun together. We're gonna learn something efficient, something that helps us in our trading. I'm gonna be with you guys, Trader K. Bye bye, and I'm looking forward to see you in another video.